Bonjour, je m'appelle Smith, je joue linebacker à Cité. J'aime ce camp parce que j'ai beaucoup appris. Merci.
I'm Zach Miller. I play for Cumberland Panthers University. I've learned how to read defenses better, quicker. My footwork's getting better.
Hi, my name is Auguste. I play kick quarterback, and I go to Brookfield High School, and I play on the Ottawa Stampeders.
My name is Jamal. I play NCAFA for North Gloucester Giants, and I play JV for Cumberland Panthers. One thing I learned about this training camp experience was to read coverages and get good experience on how to cover a man.
Hi, my name is Gideon Mumme. They call me Big G. I'm from Cité, senior team. The thing that I learned in this camp is I learned how to snap, learn how to do a better stance, and my movements and techniques, they really improved.
Yeah, I'm Alex, play for the Cumberland Panthers and the New Orleans Dukes. One thing I've learned here, especially in the DB, is upfield hip. Always be on the upper hill to your receiver.
Bonjour, je m'appelle José. Je joue receveur pour l'équipe de Faucons de Franco-Cité. Et à ce camp, j'ai appris à commander la défense.
I'm Pascal. I play for Orleans Bengals. One thing that I learned in this camp is how to read different coverage.
My name is Baxter Baltazar. I learned a lot at air raid camp.
I'm Blake Runnett, play for the Orleans Bengals, and learned the whole air raid system.
I'm Brandon Smith. I play wide receiver. I go to Silver for Laurier. I play for Gridiron Academy 7-on-7 and Cumberland Panthers OV. And one thing I learned in this camp is the weaknesses of cover 3 and cover 1.
Hi, my name is Joshua Gravel. I play for South Ottawa Mustangs. I play St. Pat's High football. I play quarterback. The thing I love about this camp is the method of check down.
Jackson Bennett. I go to Silver for Laurier. I play on Gridiron Academy 7-on-7 team. I play DB. And the thing I learned from this camp is cover 1 and cover 3.
My name is Keith Purchase. I play for the Midget Bengals. And this camp had a lot of good coaching and footwork drills.
Hello, my name is Vivian Court. I'm a defensive back for Leach Collegiate and the East Ottawa Generals. One thing I learned about from this camp is that the proper footwork and techniques to cover a man on defense.
On this side, bonjour, mon nom c'est Daniel. Ici dans ce cas.
Hi, my name is Nick Zakwa. I go to Giselle Alon. I play for the Bantam Bengals and the Junior Varsity Cumberland Panthers. And the one thing that the camp really helped me with was my footwork and my coverage.
Alright, Graham Kelly, play for the Ottawa Sooners. I go to school at Algonquin College. This camp's been really good. I've been learning a lot about reading defenses from cover 1, cover 3 defenses, working on my acceleration. It's a great camp so far, so day 3 will go good.